Shiba. Interesting. It's having a sandwich. Hey, cuz. Hey, Krista. Kirk. Hello. Tash. Criminal. Michelle. Useless goats. Joel. Shiba. Let's go. James, good evening. Just chilling. Hi, yo. Gary's gone to bed. Virus. Catch you later. Ghost. Hey, yo. Are we thrusting yet? Well, we did earlier. Oi, are you guys ready? Ready for another thrusting session? So Bitcoin had a really nice run earlier. I mean, like a really nice run, right? All the way to 23,960, 22,960. Sorry, right here. That was a nice run. $23,000 almost, right? That's impressive. That's impressive. I don't know. Do you guys find it funny how like an hour ago? Yeah. Do you guys find it funny how like as soon as the market closes, as soon as the stock market closes, crypto says, yeah, we go at nights. We go, right? So again, and that's what I was waiting for, right? I'm looking you're looking, you're tempted. Yeah, I know. No, again, like I find it really interesting, right? I think the reason for that is because Bitcoin has a trend, right? We rallied all of last night. Criminals, that's exactly what they are, Crystal, right? We crashed the market and then we go alone, right? We rallied last night. Um, so we talked about how the market is connected to like the Nasdaq, right? So how crypto is connected to the Nasdaq, right? To the stock. Let's just say the stock market, right? So, um, right. So we rallied all weekend. We rallied Sunday night really aggressively, right? So, but as soon as the market opens, now we have something else to follow, right? We follow the Nasdaq. We follow the market, right? So if the market sells off, we sell off as well. But then as soon as the market closes, we go back to the previous trend, which is up, right? And then we rally back all the way to the right from below 22 ish, right? 21 5, right? So all the way to 23 almost. How impressive. I like that. So crypto does look like it's chilling for now. Again, don't forget to smash a like it, that subscribe if you're new, blah blah blah. To the sun at night, Kirk. At night. Did you call me useless? Should I call you Michelle? No. Don't call me, please and thank you. Just kidding. And then I have this smoothie because it's not a smoothie. It's like an iced tea, bubble tea. You know what I don't like about this? The little like things inside, the little seeds inside, the little balls. I don't know. Don't like those in my mouth. Please and thank you. I don't know. Give me a daily profits. Yeah, exactly. Right. So we're getting a lot of transactions here, obviously on the whale tracker. Um, ADA keeps poking its head over 50. It actually has over 50. Okay, interesting. Because I tried to scalp ADA earlier and it was doing some funky things. How's the futures doing? The futures market is currently green for now, Tash. I looked at that earlier as well because I think that's really interesting. Right, so CNBC here. Um, futures were green earlier, right? So that's a good sign. Because again, this might help us out tomorrow, right? So they were green, they are green still, so that's a good thing, right? So Nasdaq futures are green, SPY futures are green, Dow futures are green, right? So I'm sure that helps a little bit here. So we are testing the 200 MA here for Bitcoin. Um, good evening, John. Good evening. See, we hold. Need to get rid of these this little things here. Don't like those. Not that there's anything wrong with them. I just don't I don't know. Anyways. Yeah, exactly, Atesh. Um, Any earnings tomorrow morning that could potentially change things? I don't think so. Not till tomorrow evening. Um, anyways, so top gainers here, right? Top gainers here. We've had like ETH Classic has done amazingly well. I mean, like impressively well, right? So this thing is an absolute monster, right? Matic has been an absolute monster as well. Shiba tried to go for a nice little run here, but now the rest of the market is selling off, so it's not really doing a whole lot. So we'll see what it does, right? I'm not sure if we're done yet. Again, so we've kind of doubled up for Bitcoin now at that $23,000 level, right? Twice now. Um, I still don't think we're done, right? But you want to be careful. Bitcoin is trying to bounce up this level here of that 200 EMA. So that should be an interesting level to watch there. Let me see what interesting, interesting. Let me see. Sounds good. Sounds good. ETH Classic here. Mm, mm, I want to see if this candle closes above or below here. It looks like it wants to thrust on the way down, which is concerning, right, for Bitcoin here. So also, I'll take a look at these transactions and see what's coming in. If it just feels like we're getting a lot more sells than buys here for Bitcoin. Um, someone just buy a million. Mm, interesting. We're still below that moving average, though. That's the problem there, right? So even with those buys, we're still below. Um, and we're dipping on everything here. Everything crypto dipping here. In terms of potential retracements here, we could easily still dip to $22,000 level, right? So if I pull up the 15-minute here for Bitcoin, we do have a little bit of support at 22K here, right? So and then obviously this level at 22.6, right? 22.6 there. Hmm. Interesting. What level is that? 22. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right, so we could easily keep dipping here again. So this is kind of the resistance level we talked about here for Bitcoin, right around this range here, just below, just before $23,000 here, right? We bounced off this we bounced the last dip here. We bounced off the 200 MA there on the 15 EMA, right? So that was a nice little bounce there, and then failed at just again just below 23K there. So that's really interesting to look at. Really interesting. I can't behind I you can't you behind this rally. Yeah, it's hard. Like it really is hard to kind of like just go all in on this rally and say, yeah, we found the bottom. It's hard because we really don't have any a lot of data backing this, right? So it's hard to just say, yeah, that's it, right? We're ready to thrust. We're ready to keep going, right? Just because again, there's not a whole lot of like substance to it, other than right. Again, there's the ETH update, which is really impressive, which is nice. That's a catalyst, right? But you know what I mean, right? So we still need to see what the Fed does into the end of the month here, and then go from there. See what the Fed does. Maybe we kind of turn around here. Maybe. Yeah, some of these things are trying to turn around here. So trying to 22, 21, 100. Yeah, I see what you're looking at there, Crystal. La, 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 la. Oh, that's because I la, la, la. Interesting. Yeah, we're kind of sitting at right around. Let me pull up a smaller time frame because you can't really see a whole lot on this here. Um, don't really like that, right? So I want to see if we can get back above that 20, that 21, that 22 level there, Crystal, right? We have now that we're sitting below, we need to now close above here on that moving average. That 200 EMA, the white line there, we need to close above. The Fed should just leave us alone. Sesh, leave us alone. We'll figure it out on our own. You know what? Just leave us alone. We need to thrust meme song. Yeah. Let's see. Do we hold? Do we hold? Do we hold and send it? Maybe. Maybe. Mm, mm. Whoa, whoa, whoa. See, we get a little bit of thrusting going on here. Mm-mm. Stay in your office, lock the door, throw the keys away, please and thank you. Bitcoin is yeah, what I'm watching for here for potential rally is just again that 200 EMA there, and then the 9 EMA. They're right against that. We're sitting right against those two for now, so that's a potential problem, right? So we need to send it here. At least Bitcoin does, right? For some of these outs to follow here, we need to get a thrust going here. Come on, give us a thrust. Here we go. Come on now, you can do it, Bitcoin. We're ready. The night is next candle. Yeah, we need to get it going here, Crystal. Right. So again, if we take a look at some of these whale transactions here, are we getting more buys than sells here? Interesting. Come on now, give us some buys. Give us some buys here, you whales. And what collective and thrust? Come on now. Now we need some boom boom candles here, collective. Some boom boom candles for all these things here. We need to get going. Whoa, whoa. Hmm. Interesting. Yeah, see, we can bounce here. I'm waiting for my kid to finish football practice. I in the parking lot just chilling. I hope you don't have to either. I hope. I mean, it's not the worst thing, but I hope you don't have to. We're thrusting there now a little bit, right? So yeah, glad we were able to reclaim that moving average and send it there a bit. We send it. You can see everything kind of bouncing here now too. So hopefully that was the dip, and now we can send it. Collective, how are you? How are you? How are you? How are you? Are you? Are you excited about this madness or these roll the thrust clip? Come on, and what we need to go? We need to like it's play it. You guys just want the thrust, don't you? Okay, fine, 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 fine. Let me get the clip going then. Where's the music? Maybe we get a rally there from that, right? So, and it's song number 146. Oh yeah, Bitcoin. It's time to go. The people want you to go. So boom booms. Boom booms. KO Blair. To the left. Come on. To the right. Come on. And thrust. Go go. Go go. Go go. Go go. And what? And thrust. Come on. Send it. Send it. Send it. Send it. Already. Already. Send it here, please. Thank you. That's up. To the floor. Come on. To the floor, to the sun, at night, and what? And thrust, and what? Hello, boy, hello, hello, hello. To the window, to the floor. Come on. I don't know. I don't want to know what you're doing. Just chilling. I don't want to know what you're doing at your kids' soccer, football practice. Yes, excited to put money back into crypto soon. Yeah, I mean, again, I hope we go for a nice little rally here. Collective. Let's go, Jay. Come on now, put those hands up in the air. And let the beat drop to the window, to the wall. When sun, at night, when Lambo, soon. Come on, and thrust to the left, and thrust to the right. Go, 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 go. Big monies, let's go, go, go. What's up, party people, Doug? You showed up just in time. We're trying to get Bitcoin thrusting here, you know? And what? And thrust. Come on, give us some boom boom candles here, please. Thank you. And thrust. Kirk says faster, faster, faster. No, we're trying to break out of this little 20, 20, and the 9 EMA here. So both of these levels. So depending which way we break, that could be our direction for the next little bit here, right? So we'll see. what happens again. So Matic has done really well. I almost want to pull up the daily here for Matic. Matic has looked a little bit weaker for me here lately, though. When the market drops, Matic is usually the first one now to drop for some reason. So Matic rallied to 98, right, about an hour ago, right? About an hour ago, and it's been the first one to drop aggressively. So a little bit concerned about that, but Matic has done really well, and it's holding 90 cents, right? So ETH Classic is another one that's been an absolute monster. I mean, like this one has been an absolute monster, right? From $13 to $28, right? So it's done really, really well, really, really well there. So that's impressive, amazing, right? So if you're holding Matic, ETH Classic, I mean, if you're holding anything, you've most likely done really well. But these two have done extremely well, right? So ETH Classic riding that Ethereum, that ETH momentum, right? Matic riding that Disney momentum. So yeah, they've both done really well. Just be a little bit cautious, please and thank you on the way back up. As we rally, right? Try not to FOMO too much. Wait for these dips. It just seems like, I mean, you look at these candles. Sometimes, honestly, you're like, yeah, there's no way this is coming back down, but it does every single time, right? We pump, we either consolidate or we sell off, and then new highs, right? So it's always like for me, it's always nice when you can see like ETH Classic do this after a rally because you know what's coming next, a potential rally, right? So as soon as you start going here, you want to be is ready for more, right? Pump, dip, see if we can consolidate here, and then send it again. So be happy, Matic fans. Look at the past month. Oh yeah, Matic has done really well, really really well. Yeah, I mean everything else is done well, right? So the reason you see this entire list here red, well, for the most part, is because of the reset, right? So crypto reset, crypto reset about an hour and 22 minutes ago. So now you see some questionable things, right? So, anyways, GMT is another one that's done really well. ADA has been slacking behind, still below 50 cents, but that's slowly creeping up as well. There, anything else? Yeah. What's exciting here though is the fact, like as soon as Bitcoin rallies and sits flat, now you have these smaller projects pumping, right? Like Shiba, Luna, this, uh, Jasmine, right? All of these projects start to run as soon as Bitcoin rallies and people feel confident in crypto again, we get more rallies. So yeah. So we'll see what happens here, right? So, anyways, again, Bitcoin is holding, at least trying to. See if we can get a double bottom here, Tesh, right? See if we can get a double bottoms, and then go from there. On these names here, give us a double bottom, please and thank you. We would like that very much, very very much. Again, I want to watch some of these transactions here and see what if they're coming coming in heavy, heavy, heavy. Hmm. Interesting. Is Bitcoin performing to that? It's trying to. It's trying to here. Yeah, ready? Let's go. Yeah, it's trying. Not quite ready yet. It's not quite confirming above that moving average there yet. Yeah, give us a W. Yeah, it's not quite confirming yet. So I'm waiting to see if it would actually close above that moving average, above the 9. It's not doing it yet. So we're also getting a lot of sells come through, right? So two guys, a whole bunch of sells, right? So almost like people are taking some profits here. Let me see. Am I ready for potential? To the moon, Stevie. To the moon. To the moon. Absolutely. Well, we're not quite. We're not there yet. But I'd like to go to the moon. Would like to go to the moon, please and thank you. Again, so Dogecoin. Anything else you guys are trading other than like ETH Classic and Matic? Anything else, guys? Just give me some in the chat, right? So anything else you guys are looking at that's moving, that's performing in the chat? Again, I know. So Gala is another one that I wanted to look at, right? So Dogecoin really hasn't done a whole lot yet. Not really, hasn't done much. Um, XRP started creeping up as well last night, which is nice to see. Again, hmm, ETH Classic is trying to go here again. ETH Classic. FTM hasn't done a whole lot here either. Oh yeah, H bar is something you're looking at, Jay. Okay, very nice. Interesting. Yeah, because you see Bitcoin selling off, ETH Classic is ready to rebound here, which is really interesting. Which is a really good sign, right? So trying to get a W going there. Na 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 na. Interesting. Come on now. Matic is just chilling there. Matic. Yeah, I want to see if Bitcoin can reclaim that those two moving averages there. If not, we're gonna sell off. Looks like the shot looks like an alligator farm. um, Blair, Ada has moved that good. Sherry, I mean, Solana is another one that's done really well, Doug. Really, really well. I think we watched Solana quite a bit last night in Discord. It's done really well. I mean, like I say, Solana really hasn't performed. I mean, it has, but not to the standard that everything else, you know. So that's what being judgy, Sherry. That's why being judgy. Yeah, we're kind of getting that W here for Bitcoin, right? So here goes. Here we go. Give us a W. Give us that W, please, and thank you. BTC is trying. So this is the end of crypto winter. No, I don't think so. No, I do not think so. Um, it's not, Bonnie. This is just a bear market rally, right? So this is just a rally, and you know how like you have to heat up sometimes in the winter when you're outside. You have to run back inside and warm up. Like, whew, that was cold. Yeah, that's what's happening here. BTC when it no, it's a great place to start. Okay, yeah, that's another one too that I haven't looked at in a long time actually. I haven't looked at that in a long, long time. Well, anyways, Shiba really isn't doing a whole lot here. Let me take a look at VeChain. I mean, we're holding here for most of these projects, right? So Shiba's holding here really nicely, just like everything else. We're finding support, so that's beautiful to see, right? You're kind of seeing Bitcoin push up a bit here now. We're getting that W, right? So good drawing. Let's go. Good drawing. Uh, okay, 1 second. Uh, Perfect. Anyways, right, so you're kind of seeing most of these charts here form a nice little you're in, you son of a b, I'm in, right? Shiba is forming a nice little W here as well. You're seeing again, look at ETH Classic go. Wow, 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 man. Oh yeah, wish I got into that ETH Classic double bottom. Sir Gus, la 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 la, double bottom jeans, guys, right? We like double bottoms because we usually rally up these levels. So we're rallying up that double bottom level there, so that's nice, right? Nice to see there. 92. Okay, interesting. Yeah, you see what I mean though. Like Matic is the slow poke now. It's lost a little bit of steam. I think people are just tired of pumping it. I don't know what. Um, I don't know. But yeah, I mean, like you can see everything else kind of rally off a double bottom here. Matic is chilling. Matic looks fine, but it's just slower to respond, right? I mean, even Shiba over here on the left hand side, he's done well, right? And here it goes 96, not 96. That's $26 here for ETH Classic, almost $26. Impressive. Anyways, let me take a look at VeChain here and see what that looks like here. Vets, uh, USDT. Yeah, same story, right? So all the same. Let me see what this thing's done though, like today. 30 minutes here. Yeah, it's had a nice rally, just like everything else. I was looking to see if maybe it was lagging behind there, Crystal, but it really isn't, right? So it's slowly pushing up with everything else. Again, that's Bitcoin going forming that nice little double bottom there, the W, right? That's playing out really nicely there, right? So follow, Loom, Shiba, you're holding a 10,000 at 20. Okay, 33. Okay, not bad, not bad, Crystal. Hey yo, no tackles, no life. Let's go. No tackles, no life. Doge, yeah, Doge is the only one that slacks. Just slacking here. Wish Doge would he just it looks very similar, right? She's not doing a whole lot yet. You can't even see my screen, can you? But anyways, yeah, that's Doge. Doge needs a catalyst. It needs Elon. It needs something, right? So to get us thrusting here, because it's slacking behind him. We need some Doge monies. But it's lacking. Just spitting out these seeds here, these bubble tea seeds. Anyways, yeah, no, Bitcoin looks good there. Hopefully, hopefully this is the start of the night's rally, right? Hopefully that's the beginning there. What's Luna C doing here, by the way? Luna Classic. What are we doing? Are we moving at all to this? Not really. Luna is kind of doing its own thing here. I mean, it's finding support as well, right? Of these same levels here, right? So it's finding some nice little support there. Not bad at all. But yeah, Doge needs food. I need the money for market tomorrow. um, that W, what is it doing there? Hmm. Hmm, interesting. Yeah, Luna, not a whole lot there. Not Luna, but Matic, not a whole lot there, and I just feel like, how did I know you guys were on? How did I know you guys were on? Uh, Dr. Paula, you just have to look, look outside. If you see the sun, and just look, I don't know I don't know where I was going with that, but you just look outside, or you look in your account if anything's pumping. You know we're here, Dr. Paula, right? Is leaning more towards ADA, Jacob. Why do you say that? Elon is leaning towards ADA. Why? Why do you think he's leaning towards Ada? That's my I've heard that a few times. Not sure why, because Elon hasn't said anything about. He just hasn't said anything about anything in terms of like, oh, Ada this, Ada that. I kind of understand the concept with what Ada does, but Elon plus Doge equals Doge pump. No, yes, bliss. We. Another SNL maybe. Yeah. So I know again. When's that Dogecoin rock? When's the Dogecoin hey Merem? When's the Dogecoin rocket launch here again? I thought it was sometime in July, July the 20 something. Or did they cancel it? I bet you they canceled it. I bet you they canceled the damn thing. Uh, hmm. Bet you they canceled it. Interesting. What are we forming here now? Yeah, Matic actually is trying there. Matic trying. Anyways, let me see if I can find anything about the Dogecoin thing here. Hmm. That's not what it is. Uh, SpaceX. Put it on YouTube. It's gonna be true, right, Jacob? Sure, sure. We'll launch. The launch date is currently targeted for 2022. I mean, it says 2022. Um, doesn't give us a date. No, it says launch date 2022. Yeah, thanks, Captain Obvious. Just kidding. But like every site I look at here says 2022, but there's not a specific date for the Dogecoin launch here. That would be a potential catalyst, right? So that'd be a really nice catalyst. Uh, Cancel. Date December 22nd. Maybe triple bottom. Yeah, maybe. December 22nd here is what this site says. Venue Kennedy Space Center, Florida, USA. December 2022. Wasn't it scheduled for like the summer? Did they keep canceling it? I bet you they do. I bet you they keep canceling. They're like, nope, nope, not happening. Dogecoin who? Yeah, I don't know. Maybe that rally. Yeah, maybe tonight's the night we chill out. Love that place. You do, Kennedy. You do. Hugh. Yeah. So that's when Dogecoin is doing the doing the launch. Um, for December. Yeah, so the SpaceX Falcon 9 Block 5 rocket will launch the Dogecoin 1 and Nova payloads with Kennedy Space Center from Kennedy Space Center, Florida, USA. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. All right, all right, all right, all right. Triple bottom. See if we can stay above this 90 EMA here. Otherwise, maybe we do come back and get a triple bottom or something. Sandbox is sending it. Yeah, I mean everything's basically sent it though, right? Everything. My boy and boys and I got several Falcon 9 launches there. Really neat. That's cool. I like to Hugh. I like to do that someday. Someday. Watch the rockets take off. We'll see. Hmm. Yeah, I'm not quite sure. Again, I don't mind that Bitcoin is consolidating here. I like that, right? That we're holding here. Um, just not sure what it's doing there. Again, not a bad thing at all here, right? So see if we can stay above that 20, that 200 there, and get back above the 9, and then send it. Is my fan on? Should be. Again, don't forget to with the trip. Yeah. Whenever I visit the US, since I've never been, maybe that'll be one of the trips. Bitcoin does what it wants, George. Bitcoin does what the people want, what the market criminals want. That's what it does. That's what BTC does. And, I didn't even have to press the like button. It was already pressed. Let's go, Kobe. Come on now. Smash it again. Smash it again, please and thank you. Hmm. We do look like it does look like we want to rally up this level. We're finding some nice little support at this level, so that's not a bad thing. 10 man. Hello, hi. Yeah, we're struggling there on that candle though, which is let me see here. Let's see. Mm, 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 mm. Hmm. Let me Matic. La. Oh yeah, we're dip skiing here again. Dipping. Some more dips. Hmm. Oh yeah, maybe a triple bottom then. If we get a triple bottom. A triple bottom. I mean, I don't mind that we're consolidating here. You are coming to Seattle for the World Cup. Oh yeah, that's true. Seattle for the World Cup, guys. Seattle. Then we can watch some football. You know. Oh, BTC. What did I just? Nah. Let's see. Oh, that's why. Interesting. I've gone through a video from Elon Musk on live that says to give the double of ETH. Do you like? It's fake video. It's a fake video. Yeah, it's not a real video. Elon isn't talking about. Elon has bigger issues now than anything else, right? So Elon is not live anywhere at Tenma, so avoid that video, please and thank you. Hey yo, Brady, what's up? All the cool kids are doing it. What are they doing? What are all the cool kids doing? Anyways, So yeah, Bitcoin is trying again. So again, don't mind that we've kind of found support at this range here, right? So the last two sell-offs here, we've kind of held this level at just above 100, right? So see if we can stay above there, because it's looking weak, right? So looking like maybe tonight is the opposite of what maybe tonight's the opposite of what happened last night. Anyways, Matic is another one that's Matic again. Matic is leading the way down here every time it seems like, right? So almost like it's ready. It's ready for what's coming. Flagging. I hope. I hope we're flagging too. And then of course we have ETH Classic here. ETH is again same, right? But how the Skinnigator, Elon is Elon is uh, the Skinnigator. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's go here. Come on, you found that support. Let's get a triple bottom, right? That's what that session's looking for. Triple bottoms. See if we can get a rally going here. Hitting the like button, Jacob. Come on, guys, smash a like. Smash a like. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want to become a member, if you're not a member yet, come join us in Discord. Hmm. We're taking a little bit longer than we usually do to get a pump here. Taking a little bit longer than we usually do. Short ETC. You want to short it, Bonnie? I mean, maybe closer to $30 would have been really nice earlier today, right? That would have been really nice if you shorted close to that level there. We've lost a few dollars here now, so I like to short it on when we're struggling on the way all the way up there. Like when we're sitting flat, when we rally and then sit flat and struggle a bit, you can always consider that with the tight stop loss, right? So uh, it's going down in 3 minutes. 3 minutes, we're going down. Gaming beats, Abby's. Why do you say we're going down? Again, in the long run, I think we're all still expecting a nice dip, right? But we could easily rally all the way into the Fed meeting, all the way till next week. We could easily do that, right? So just be a little bit cautious. Again, we are trying to find support here at this level, so see if we can actually break out here to the upside. It looks weak, right? Looks weak. And here we go. No stop loss. I should have stayed at work. uh, Jason? Yeah. Oh, looks like we're about to go to the abyss here now. Here goes BTC. Here we go to the abyss. Jason, are you long anything or short anything? Are you long or short? Apart from the S&P, what do you believe? What do you believe changed? I think the market just closed, honestly, and this is what we talked about most of the day, right, Hugh? We wanted the market to shut down, close the market, because once you do that, the market rallies, crypto rallies on its own, right? So we talked about this earlier, how so again, before the market opened today, right, the trend for crypto was higher, right? We know how crypto is connected to, so Bitcoin especially is connected to the Nasdaq, connected to the market. So when the market opens up and sells off, crypto will do whatever that does, right? Whatever the tech sector does there. But then when the market closes, when the stock market closes, right, we resume the normal trend, right? So and then all the way back up. So that's all I wanted to see was the stock market close. Shut it down, please. Shut the damn thing down, and then we rally. We're bouncing up that level. Yeah, we are. Hopefully, I'm not glitching here, guys. It's there. We go. It should be fixing itself here now. Yeah. 2K down. I'm out for now. 20x is reckless. Yeah, it is. It is. It is. It is. Now see if we can get a bounce here. Again, Bitcoin is trying to bounce here. Everything else is looking super weak. Um, Come on, let's get going. Please and thank you. I want to see some boom boom candles here. It's been a while since we had some fat green candles. We're looking weak. Weak. Maybe tonight is not the same night as the thrust night last night, Hugh. Maybe tonight is for the opposite. Tonight's for shorting, maybe. We'll see. It's way too early to tell. If I look at a bigger time frame here, we should just be consolidating, right? If I look at the 5, for example, here, you've had that nice sell off, right? Actually, we could easily sell off here to just below 20, just to $22,000 again here actually, before rebounding, right? We could easily sell off to that level there. Again, Matic is looking really weak there. Matic is looking really weak, right? So we'll see what happens here. I wish short with five to be safer, to be on the safer side. Yeah, pizza rolls is what you're having. What are you having? 22 100. Oh yeah, Matic is falling off a cliff there almost. Right, Matic has looked really weak for me, like really really weak. Right, so the last sell off, Matic dipped quite a bit. Look at ETH Classic here dip now too. Right, so these projects are looking really weak. And Bitcoin really isn't doing a whole lot, right? So they're almost ready to sell off, right? Matic is leading the way down here. Um, ETH Classic, yep, dippity dips, right? But Matic is dipping a lot more than everything else, which is really interesting. Yeah, come on, BTC, we need you. We need you here. We need you to give us a little bouncy bounce here, because we're breaking below all those levels there, right? Good idea for pizza rolls, Blair. It's hard. Wow. Bubbles. You want to see the bubbles? Yep. If I look at the last 5 minutes, these bubbles are all red. Everything, everything is looking for the abyss now, almost. Right. So what we're hoping for, that the trend is still intact, Crystal, and we can dip like this and then recover back higher. Because don't think I was short just yet. Maybe I should. Maybe I should. You know, Bitcoin just looks like it's about to give us the biggest fat red candle here. That's what it looks like there. Let me see what these transactions. Again, we're getting a lot of selling pressure coming here, right? So um, it's gonna stay wavy, right? So maybe some buys might be coming in here now too. So let's see for the litigators. Come on, let's get some boom booms here. BTC, come on now. We gonna give us? Are we gonna get a green candle here, guys? Come on now. Getting some buy orders come through, so see if that translates to. AVAX is a nice project, right? It's done really well. You can always, again, so AVAX. I remember posting AVAX about I don't know, about a year ago. It's been a long time, right? And that thing had a massive rally, so that was really nice. But yeah, no, I like AVAX. Again, just like everything else, it depends on what you're trying to do with it, right? Is it a long-term investment for you, or is it just a trade? AVAX is extremely volatile, and I like it. AVAX can go on some really nice runs. So first green candle. Can we get a green candle, please? Please. Do it for Blair. Please and thank you. Do it for Blair. Do it for Crystal. Can we get some green? Anyways, whatever happens, happens. But yeah, again, just wondering if that. Let me take a look at the 4 hour here actually for Bitcoin. Um, what I don't like about this 4 hour about these 4 hour candles here, um, I mean, again, sure, we're holding above that 200 EMA. Now we have support here at 21,800 and whatever, right? So let's say 21.9, just because of those two moving averages on reliable time frames. But all these wicks are just struggling here for some reason, right? The last, again, four, right? So the last one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles, 6 4 hour candles, we've been struggling around the same level here, right? So that's a little bit of a concern, right? So I hope we can send it. It looks like we are sending it here now. If I zoom in, right, we are sending it here a little bit. So hopefully this is the start of something here, because we need to get to thrusting. We need to get thrusting, guys. We're getting some buys. Come on, bye. We need some super chats or support for the. Let's go. Alone. Yeah, see if we can break out of this 200 EMA here again for the S&P. Come on now. Come on now. We need healthy momentum, Zach. Yeah, we do. Again, I think we look fine. When you zoom out, we look completely okay on these bigger time frames, right? So we're still holding some key levels of support, right? We're sitting about $22,000 here right now, which is nice to see, right? So if we can just consolidate, there's nothing wrong with that either, right? So because these pump and dumps are quite scary sometimes, you know. So be careful, be careful, please and thank you. Yeah, we need more than one green candle here, Bitcoin. Come on now, BTC. Anyways, we're getting a lot of sells here. Some of these Hue accounts. You guys need to you know what I mean? This is Hue and Blair. Blair just sold $600,000 worth of Bitcoin. Impressive, Blair. And then Hugh sells oh, that's Zach for sure. That's Zach. Come on, Zach, send it, please. Thank you. Come on. Oh, Blair, be nice. Hugh, be nice, please. Be nice, please, and thank you. Come on now, let's get thrusting here, please. Please. That's right. That's right. Bye, 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 bye. Let's see here. What's happening on the social media? What's happening to Matic, by the way? Matic is trying to bounce here as well, right? So Matic again, they're all the same for the most part, right? Matic is bouncing a little bit there. ETH Classic is bouncing as well, right? So I think we had Shiba, but we took it off for Luna Classic. I'm gonna put Shiba back up here. Right? Same, right? All the same charts. So we're bouncing together, dumping together. And now, come on, let's thrust. Come on now. Here it comes. Here it comes. And so it begins. It was a hot summer evening. And Bitcoin had the most aggressive candle we had seen in 10 minutes. Come on now, let's go. I'm being nice. And be nice. Anyways, yeah, see if we can send it there. Futures still green? Yeah, futures are still green. Nasdaq green, SPY green, Dow green, all of that stuff green. So all green. What I find really interesting though is how like some of these alts is they will sell off more before Bitcoin even gets a red candle, right? So I think they're giving us a sign here, giving us a sign that pack your bags. Aggressive which way? To the upside, please and thank you, Jason. Aggressive to the upside. Come on now, I want to see a thrust. Yeah, they're all struggling actually. All really struggling them. Anybody here? Holy shit, dude. But really, oh yeah. Yeah. Come on. JC, we want some aggression to the upside tonight. Continuation from last night, right? We want to continue here. Continuation. Nope. Yeah, all these things are failing at the 20-day moving averages. They actually, all of them, right? All struggling here. Let's go. Blair says me being nice. Allons. Blair, merci beaucoup. Thank you very much, Blair. Thank you. Yeah, Blair's going on vacation to Florida. So Blair's gonna be doing some highly questionable things. It's in a slow cooker. Unbelievable. You're going to jail just chilling. You're going to where to jail? 2 hour downtrend, yeah. Yeah. Let me take a look at some of these. What does a 30-minute look like here actually? So yeah, we're creating some lower highs on the 30-minute, right? Some lower highs here. High, low. We now need again. So the good thing about this here potentially for Bitcoin is that we're sitting right against the 20-day moving average here on the 30-minute. If I take a look at the 45 here, see what we're holding, right? So we potentially could form an inverse head and shoulder here on the 45-minute. That would be really nice to see, but we could dip lower to actually confirm that at the 20, right? So I'd like to see that thing send it from here though. with all small amounts and next bear run you will be happy. Yeah, what I'm looking to do though is start doing that as we approach the next Fed meeting. If we're rallying, right, like if we're rallying into the next Fed meeting there, Bonnie, I will start accumulating, and then go from there. Yeah, so that's what I'm looking at there. Again, we take a look at the 4 hour chart here, right? Again, that candle still looks okay, right? We could easily dip to 21, 21, 21 8, 21 9, and still be fine here on the 4 hour. So back to a smaller time frame. Come on now. Come on now, BTC. Let's go. Hello, 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 Blair. Hello. Hello. Send it, please. We need to get back above, yeah, we're just flagging, right? Which is fine. But we don't have time for flags, please. We came to make monies, not to flag. What's this rubbish? Let's go, community. Let's go, Blair. Let's go, let's go. Thank you very much. Hmm. We might be able to go for a nice little thrusty, actually. Some boom booms. Boom booms incoming. Incoming. Come on, Bitcoin. We know it's coming. We know it's coming. Just send it. Just send it, BTC. We believe in you. Do we believe in you? Well, we just want green candles. Anyways, so please and thank you. We would like it very much if you would just thrust. Just thrust. Blade, not Blade. Hugh, did you ever get in? Like, did you get in last night into anything, or you were just hanging and watching? Hugh. Come on. 60. Interesting. 25. Actually, ETH Classic has done a really good job as Bitcoin sells off here now, which is not nice. Not nice at all. But anyways, ETH Classic has done a really good job of actually holding above here. Right above this $25 level here. So that's nice. It's done a really good job actually. I mean, that kind of looks like a bear flag there, but on a smaller time frame, yeah. But it's done a good job, right? So Matic here needs to break above. We need to get going here, Matic, right? And of course, Bitcoin really isn't helping with these red undecisive candles here. Not really. I followed. I followed your lead, my friend. What did you do, Hugh? Um, I'm going to a short ape. You are okay. Yeah. No, we look. We can't seem to break above these moving averages here. So tonight might be the night to. Tonight might be the opposite night. Not quite sure yet. Not quite sure yet here. I think it's way too early to tell. Right. So we're basically holding the same levels here. So you can't really say we're forming some lower highs and some lower lows. Right. So we're just chilling. Right. So and doing uh oh uh oh hey, Bitcoin. Come on now. We don't have time for this rubbish, Bitcoin. We came for the booms, Crystal. We came for the booms. We missed them though. We missed it. Come on. And oh yeah. So I'm gonna put a line here at $22,000. Again, just because we've held that level really nicely here. Right, so that would be a level to watch. 22K here. See if we can stay above that at least. See if we can stay above that. See if we can just consolidate above that. And again, there's nothing wrong with selling off just because of what we've done in the last few days here. But if we can find a way to stay above this 22K, which should be it's like 3 a.m. You're going to bed. Did you go long or short? You missed the Nas Black Magic voice. Let me see here. Send Nas a message. Atesh, have a wonderful night. 3 a.m. Wow, your schedule's very messed up now, isn't it, Tesh? Like you're up all day for stocks, and at 3 a.m. in the morning, you're awake for crypto. Um, flag tonight to 22.6. Yeah. Again, honestly, Crystal, I would not mind if you stayed above $22,000, right? Just flag above that. Kind of consolidate, right? Hold that level, please. And then we can go from there. If you were able to trade for another coin, what would it be? You hesitated. Answer. You were messing with Matic. Oh yeah. Okay, okay, sounds good. Oh yeah. No, I like Matic. I like Matic more than yeah, especially when you're looking for like a recovery. When things dip, sometimes you're looking for the max recovery. Matic is one of those that will give you the max recovery. Matic will dip, but it will also recover quicker than most, right? Matic is aggressive. There are a few projects like that. Matic, Near. Um, there's a list somewhere. But Matic is one that you always watch. Matic is always on watch because that thing is aggressive when it rallies. And ETH Classic is another one too that doesn't always rally, but when it does move, people always question. The reason you can't really miss it is because everybody questions why like ETH Classic is pumping, because it's almost like the useless version of ETH. But that thing will always give you some excitement. It does look like it feels like we want to thrust, like we want to go for a little rally here, but we're just not getting that volume to the upside here. You know, just not getting it. I went along. No, it's okay. I love the and the money. Let's go. Tesh, have a wonderful night. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Hasta mañana. Hasta mañana. Oi, BTC, what are you doing? Nah. It's pumping since the past 2 weeks. Downtrend is coming soon. You think? Yeah. I was hoping that that trend would hold for another week or so. Make it easy to short. Oi. Yeah, we're looking a little bit concerning here if we start breaking below 22K here, right? Tonight might be the night that we go to the abyss. Tonight might be the night that we see a BTC. Jason, you're short, aren't you? You just took a short position. Okay. See a BTC. Yeah. Again, that candle has about another second here, and it closed above $22,000, right? So as long as these candles keep closing above that level, we're completely okay. And as long as we keep closing above $22,000 here, we're fine. You're short? Okay, sounds good. Yeah, what you'd like to see is that close below that level then, Jason. Close below and you're happy. What do you think about the Google splits? I like it. I think it presents an opportunity, right? You can buy Google cheaper. Um, the reason I hesitate is because it's not just Google now, though, right? It's just like overall market. So again, I like the split. Like if you like Google long term, maybe just dollar cost average, right? Slowly into Gooks. It's fighting here, Jason. BTC. Come on now. We don't have time for this rubbish. Okay, let me take a look at some of these whale transactions here. Did we close below? I think we might have. Yeah, that candle did. Yeah. We need to get going here to the upside. Otherwise, we might have some problems. Anyways, Matic is kind of holding there nicely, which is not too bad. ETH holding there, not too bad either. Shiba is looking for the bridge. And then we take a look at these transactions here. Ooh, come on now, let's get some buys. More. These guys are not nice. Hugh, can you tell them to shut it down, please, and thank you. We need some rallying here. We need some green candles. Anyways, please, thank you. Look at that. Someone just sold $1 million worth of Bitcoin, and then $500,000 worth. Oh, today, and looking forward to keep getting more carry. There you go. No, I like Google. In the crypto world, I am like an old man trying to figure out a computer for the first time. Luckily, which would be equivalent of Yeah, exactly, Hugh. Exactly. No, you're fine. You're okay. I think we're all just learning. Like we learn with this as we go along. Honestly, it's new for a lot of people, right? So we're just learning as we go along here. Oi, oi, come on now. So a lot of it is FOMO. You wanna, like you play momentum names. So a lot of it is very similar to that. If you just did that, honestly, you would do well, right? So just play the momentum. You do really well because as you've seen, like when momentum turns around, we go. When BTC Bitcoin is giving us problems here. Hi, easy. Hey yo. I'm not a complete useless god. No, absolutely not. Absolutely not. We need to reclaim this 22 here, otherwise we have problems. You're not even old yet. You're not even old yet. Hmm, interesting. Feels like we've been setting, shorts. I know Bonnie's shorts. Everyone's short now. Bitcoin, yeah. I feel like people have seen enough of a rally. They're like, yeah, nope, short it. Short, 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 short. Interesting. Oh, 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 oh. Nope. Uh-oh. If we fail here, make a new low, I think we have a problem. But if we can break out here about 22 again, I think we're fine. What's going on? Hey yo, easy. We're just hanging out and watching some Bitcoin and crypto, and Bitcoin and some crypto. And see if we can make some more monies, right? Easy. Some more monies. Shiba. Yeah, Shiba is struggling there. Matic looks a little bit better here in terms of like consolidation. It looks better. It just needs Bitcoin to send it here so it can thrust. And what? And thrust. Come on now, let's go. Let's get a green candle here, please and thank you. Oh, 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 oh. There we go. Come on now. Send it. Here we go. Come on. We need some thrusting. Houston, we have a problem. Jason, Houston, we have a problem. Yeah, that problem is about to be a rocket. Now you're talking my language. Easy, come on, monies. We're trying, right? So, um, yeah, that problem is a rocket to the upside here. Jason, virus. Hey yo, are you done? Like, you done, virus? Um, applied yeah, apply similar approach that I use for stocks. Yeah, not hard. My criminals, yeah, exactly here. Yeah, exactly. Hey yo, Marlo says bye. Dogecoin rockets. The Dogecoin rockets. Oh yeah. If we can now hold above this 22, I think we're in a good spot here for potential thrust. Potential thrust potential. Yeah, you just got done. Okay, nice virus. Oh wow, you're an animal, animal. Yeah, no, Hugh, it's the same concept. Right, like the same concept to well, again, unless you're looking to like unless you're willing to do the research and hold longer. I mean, the things that you need to know, right? Like which coins will rally more than which will sell up more, which rally more, blah blah blah. But like the same idea when it comes to like penny stocks and some of the action that happens here. You want to be very careful, right? So because some of these criminals will pull your money. What's up? What's up? Hey yo, did you change your name from something? Audio now. Did you change your name from something? You did, didn't you? Mm. Talk crypto, I get lost in the slang. Old man vibes. Yeah. Old man vibes. Nah, nah, nah. No, it's like again, there's news sometimes, but reaction and technicals. You're just an island boy virus. Yeah, I'm an island boy. Can I get the link for Discord? Yeah, of course. Send me an email. Email at the top of your screen here. When did you become a member? You become a member today? Yeah, send me an email. Email at the top of your screen here, and I'll send you an invite. What? Go with your huge heart. Huge heart. Go your heart. Hmm. Interesting. We need to get going here. We're looking really weak. These bounces are super, super weak. I mean, if this was last night, we'd be thrusting. Christo, sorry. Sorry. Sorry, sorry. If this was last night, like, the momentum was quite there, we would be absolutely, like, we would be thrusting. Tonight, we just seem, really, like, when you've been, like, it's been a long day and you just want to, like, when you still have work to do, you're just dragging your feet. That's what Bitcoin is doing tonight. Just dragging. Come on, BTC, we don't have time for this rubbish. Like, we have places to be here, planes to catch, monies to spend. So we need to get going. I want to play Matic, is what I want to play here. Q. I wanted to play ETH Classic just because it's really strong and it's holding up really well. So I want to play Matic though. So, but Bitcoin is giving me some weird vibes. Some very weird vibes here tonight. So I don't like that. Some really weird vibes. Like every rally here is super, super weak, right? Um, Lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Right, so that's a little bit concerning. That I thought, I was hoping we'd stay above that $22,000 level after we broke above here, but nope, 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 nope. Maybe it's time to follow Bonnie and Jason into the short closets. Open the doors, and pull out the I don't know. But anyways, we'll see what this candle does here, and then go from there. See what this candle does. Give us a little rally candle. We get a new candle here in about 10 seconds. And we're bouncing a little bit there with that candle actually. So come on now. Come on now. 2 and 1. So that candle closed above $22,000 there. See, we can just keep consolidating here, honestly, right? I don't mind that candle at all. That's a nice candle. It's time. It's time. No, I'm just watching for now. Like when you have that, you've been punished for going short so many times. Mm. I'll be punished for going long, I think. On the dips. Hugh. Anyways, we'll see what this thing does at $22,000 here on this next candle. So we have about another 20 seconds here on this candle. So see if we stay above. It's time. It's a short. No, we're still closing above $22,000 here. So that is the tempo. Crystal, isn't there a song? Slow and steady. That's the tempo. Slow and steady. That's the. I feel like I'm waiting for that massive thrust candle here to the upside. Uh, I'm waiting, but then it's not coming. It's not coming. Oi. Anyways, let me see here. What are these guys doing in Discord? Na 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 na. Oh yeah. Just quickly browsing through Discord there. Which crypto are you going to short if you have to? Matic looks weaker. GMT would have been nice, Bonnie. So those are the two that I like to look at here. I mean, ETH Classic has had a nice run too. So 5 minutes of you did. Let's see, Crystal. Because when you sent me that stuff, there wasn't a link to the thing. Oh, I see now. Oh, okay, 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 okay. I see. I was my I miss Crystal. Okay, I got it now. I got it. I got it. Tonight we go. Don't forget to smash a like, guys. If you haven't already, smash a like, hit that subscribe, blah blah blah. And yeah. What's Malo One Nation playing? Malo, what are you playing? What are you playing with, Malo? Are you playing with some let me see here. Na, 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 na. Okay, cool. I was just quickly reading through Twitter. Twitter. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, I think Mala's playing with not sure what, but na 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 na. Come on. You can tell that there's a, you can kind of hope that there's a massive candle here coming soon to the upside, but it's just not happening. Hmm. How much time do we have on this candle here? Okay, 10 seconds. Do we close about $22,000 again here? Probably not. And we have, oh, come on, you can do it. You can do it. And we did. We closed above, right? So we just need a nice green candle here. That was fun while it lasted. Jason, yeah, it was. Yeah, it was. That was a lot of fun, actually. We're not done yet, though. This is the candle we're waiting for. Is this it? We're feeling against that 20 there, the 20 EMA. So that's what I'm kind of watching here. So come on. I want a boom boom candle here. We want to see some consistency to the upside. We found support, hopefully. Let's get going to the upside, please. Please and thank you. Side of this rubbish. Come on now. Come on, come on, come on. Thrust, 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 thrust. Do you need some chanting? Bitcoin needs some chanting. What is that level? Just $22,030. Okay, cool. Interesting. Maybe this is it. Maybe this is it. Maybe this is it. Trying again. So, 22,000. You say support. I say resistance. I say we thrust. Jason doesn't wanna. Yeah. You lit a candle. You lit a candle, Blair. Oh, we're gone. Pack your bags, Jason. Blair just lit a candle. Remember the candle magic? Like Nas would like light candles on stream, uh, and we would send it. Pack your bags, Jason. What type of candle did you light, though? That's the question. What type of candle, Blair? Hopefully, this is not a. Hopefully, it's not a red candle, because Jason is about to send us to the bridge here. How much time do we have on this candle here now? 4 seconds. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on now. The time is now. The time is now. Let's go. Na na. And let me take a look at some of these transactions here. These whale transactions here. We're getting a lot more buys. Are we getting buys? Oh, we are, kinda. We are. Nothing really stands out for now, though. Nothing that stands out here. Hold and go. Yeah. Palm tree. Is that okay? That's okay, Blair. That's okay. Yeah, no. Oh, here we go. Come on now. Send it already, Bitcoin. Send it. We need some boom boom candles here. Please and thank you. There it is. Come on. Keep going. We need to get back above 21, 22, 22, 100 here. So, um, come on now. And what? And thrust. and thrust and what and thrust. Getting, I'm looking at some of those buys and sells there. Uh, yeah, that's what I'm looking at there. I don't think it's. You don't think it what, bro? I don't think it smells. Um, Interesting. Hey Stacy, hey yo, hit the like y'all. Let's go, Stacy. Good to see you. Crypto, Gary. Hey yo, Gary. I logged on to say we need NAS candles. Nick Chestnuts and Blair Fomo. Blair Fomo. What's Blair Fomo into? Blair Fomo's into super chats, Gary. That's Blair Fomo. Super chats. Super chat Fomo. Citron. Ooh. Mm. Are we about to send it here? Come on now. Send it. Gary, pray. We had some nice big orders here for look at that, right? 1.1 million, 1.3 million dollars worth of buys. So we're getting some buys. We're getting some really nice buys there. Now we just need to thrust. Come on now, thrust it. Oi, thrust it. Oh, look, it's taking a lot for us to thrust tonight for some reason. Taking a lot to thrust. Hmm. Come on. Come on. It's actually a nice candle there. There it is. Weak. Jason says weak. Weak. Look at that though, Jason. We thrust it to the back to that resistance, right? Yeah, we did it. Crypto. Yeah, we had a nice little thrust there, guys. All right, 22. What's up, Marco? Come on. There's the guy, Marco. How are you? Good to see you. How are you, Marco? How are you? Are you buying any more dips here? Any more dips, Marco? Let's go. Now we're getting a lot more buys than we are getting sells now. Yeah, you actually did. You did. Nice. Yeah. No, hopefully this rally takes us to into the next Fed meeting there. The last week of July. Well, for the next week or so, hopefully, right, and then go from there. So kind of what we're hoping for at least is a rally from now. Rally into the 27th, and then a potential dip right from there. After we get some more Fed news, some more Fed data, right? And then go from there. And anyways, Bitcoin has done well the last few days or so. Hopefully that continues. Everything is almost bouncing here now too. Again, as Bitcoin rallies, everything will follow along, right? Shiba looks okay there. Matic is obviously done really well, and then ETH Classic here, yeah, that thing is sending it again, sending it. Now we go into Asia. Until Asia wakes up. Yeah, Jason, I told you, like as soon as Blair lights those candles, pack your bags because the night is oh yeah, what's sending it there? So your next level of resistance there, Jason, potentially could be this moving average here, right? So um, yeah, this level again, so right around the 200 and the 100 EMAs there, right in the 1 minute. So this would be a potential level to be careful with. Yeah. I wouldn't FOMO here, especially if you're scalping, right? I'd be a little bit careful because we could easily sell off from that level. So be careful. Be careful there, right? So I don't think we quite have that momentum yet to say yeah every dip is for buying tonight, right? So just be a little bit careful there with BTC and everything else. Let's go. Yeah, so we were having our first kind, I don't know, red to green candle. Green to red to green. Yeah. Hot trades trades 1,000 person streams. Stacy, yeah. Yeah. No, people don't like to watch their accounts, go like, I mean, like, as much as we're celebrating crypto here, as much as we're having fun with this, most of these projects are still down well over 50%, right? So, and a lot more than, some of them are down a lot more than that. So the people that just don't want to see their accounts struggle, right? So these are longer term plays for a lot of people, anyways. So if the market wants to struggle, might as well just leave it and not watch, not watch anything. Just kind of, yeah. Oh, degens? Yeah, you guys are crazy animals. Crazy animals. Hello, hello, hello. Like a high school bonfire from from your age. Oh no, Blair. Just make sure we don't go to the abyss, please. Just make sure we don't go to the abyss. La, la, la. In daily? No, exactly, Crystal. Exactly, exactly, exactly. Right. Especially when you get massive sell-offs like this. Dollar cost average has always been the way to go, especially if, again, if it's a long term position. I think we've said this quite a few times in the last year or so. When it's a long term position, you want to make sure you're super, super patient, right? So when you make an investment, there's no rush at all. You want to make sure you take your time. And as you add more, you're doing more research, right? As you do more research and your conviction grows, then you add more, right? So slowly, right? So the people that add every like 10% dip or like 25% dip or like stuff like that, right? So yeah, 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 yeah. La, 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 la. Interesting. Huh. I was just looking at Matic there as it does some interesting things. Anyways, Bitcoin looks good there. We're just failing against the 200 still. It's today not good at a stop loss for sure. What do you think about Apple today? Yeah. I mean, again, I still don't mind Apple long term, right? Apple will be okay. It's called. Uh, okay, thank you very much, Crystal. The album. Okay, I see it now. I see. I see it. We right north. Uh, yeah, yeah. Apple games? Oh yeah, no, always. Gary. Like Gary will tell you all about the games. These guys want to play. Carlos, let's go. So you're streaming and stop by to say hi and drop and leave a like. Hopefully you're having a wonderful time, Carlos, at the family reunion. Hopefully you're having a good time. Right? Hopefully you're enjoying it. Hopefully there's no just food and no no drama, please and thank you. Right? Just food, just food and some good company. What more do you want? Right? So yeah, yeah, yeah. Nah. Interesting. I like before bed. Let's go, Dersey. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful night, Dersey. Good night. Good night. I'm back home now. Back to the. Oh, you're back to the gains. Okay, sounds good. Ready for the monies? Okay, we go. We're ready for you. For you to come back as well. We need music and hang out. Yeah. Gary Blair was in there earlier today. I was in there for a bit. William was in there, right? So, yeah. Maybe you guys are going there now to hang out and listen to some music. Some music, la música. Oh yeah. No, we're looking a lot better here now, Jason. Right? So, yeah. Again, to me, like that $22,000 level is a level we're gonna play with quite a bit, right? When you take a look at some of these bigger time frames, like we're still riding above and holding that, so that's a really good sign. So I'm really skeptical with like the shorting, right? So I'm not quite ready to short crypto yet. Not ready. Just not ready. right? So I still think we might have some gas in the tank left. You know, you get comfortable when like to short when you look at some of these bigger time frames. Like if I take a look at the 4 hour, not the 4 hour because that might be too late, right? If I take a look at like the 30 minute here for Bitcoin, right? So sure we're dipping. But then if I look at this 30 minute here, it just looks to me like we could potentially form an inverse head and shoulder, right? So you have a little bit of support here, right? Support right there, right? And then you sell off, right? And then you pump. What does this look like? That looks like an inverse head and shoulder to me, and a potential recovery back to the upside, right? So that could be a problem there. Again, so if we close below that 22 though on the bigger time frame, then yes, okay, cool, right? So once you start closing below these moving averages, right, and we're closing below key levels, right, below $22,000, and we're starting to look weak, right? So and then okay, cool. There's a lot of room to the downside if we do sell off. You know what I mean? So absolutely no rush at all into these know what happened the last few days here, right? So again, be careful though with this area here. So the 200 EMA on any time frame, right, is a problem, right? So we felt that 200 last time there. We were struggling at that 200 here. We're struggling at the 200 here again, right? So you want to be careful regardless, right? So be careful, please. Thank you. So please and thank you. Be careful. If I need things in charts recently, looks like a jar of Vaseline. A jar of Vaseline. Gary? Yeah, I know what you mean. There's gas in the tank, but it's running low. Jason? Yeah, it looks like it does look like it's running low. Um, and I'm quite, like at my. I agree with you 100%. It doesn't quite feel like last night, does it? It doesn't. Last night by this time we dipped like that. Oh yeah, we're sending it right away. Now it's just really sluggish, right? So yeah, the gas in the tank is is a $9 gas. You need some Vaseline, Gary? Yeah, Gary needs last night was on fire, exactly, Jason. Yeah, it does feel different now. So what time frame on the daily? Hourly? Daily. What do you mean, Stacy? What time frame on the daily? So this time frame we're looking at here is the minute, but we've been through all the other time frames now. I'm not sure I understand your question, Stacy. Let me know. What time frame on the daily? I'm not sure. I understand what you're asking for. Yeah, we are holding here between the 9 and the 200. So see which way we break here, right? If we break above here, well, continuation. Oh, what time frame on the EMAs? This is the minute. Are you just asking about like the 200 and the daily? You want to know where it is? Yeah, so we're holding the 9 here really nicely, actually, really nicely there. Let me take a look at the daily here quickly, Stacy. And we're nowhere close, right? So the 200-day moving average here for yeah, it's all the way up there, right? So all the way up there. So we have a ways to go here. Um, you know what I mean? So we have a ways to go. And if you look at the bigger picture, it just seems like Bitcoin hasn't done anything, has it? Right? I mean, like you look at where we came from on the dips here, right? It's like wow. I mean, like we're still sitting at the bottom here. That doesn't mean we're gonna rally though, right? So we have a nice little triple bottom here, right? For I don't know if I call that a triple bottom, right? So we have some nice support in this range here from 22 to 18ish, right? That's been the range over the last little bit, right? 18 to 20, 22, sorry, right? So we're breaking above that 22 here now, which is good to see. The question is, can we consolidate, right, and actually hold above that level? You know what's funny here actually? Did we close above? Let me take a quick look, guys. Holla. Yeah, we did actually. Yeah, nice. We actually closed this candle above $22,000. Impressive, right? That's the first time in a few weeks now that we closed about $22,000. As much as we've been above 22 before, we never closed above, right? So that's nice. So this candle here now just needs to confirm that in the next, how much time do we have here? 21 hours. 21 and a half hours. One second, guys. Copy. Na, 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 na. There we go. Let me go back to smaller time frame because you can't really see anything here. Again, so we talked about being careful with that moving average there, right? That 200 EMA, right? For Bitcoin here, yeah, you want to be careful with that level. Because that seems to be a problem on every time frame, right? Above support, below resistance, right? So be careful. Um, what will happen? I'll ignore that for now. We can come back to that later. I need 30 to take some money off the table. You need $30,000 easy. Okay. Well, let's get to thrusting then. We need to break on the daily, right? It's quite a ways. It's quite a ways up there, Stacy. Yeah, nice bit. Yeah, exactly, Gary. Those are two massive levels that we talked about over the last like month or so. Well, over the last few weeks, right? 21.6 and 22K. So we're sitting above both of those levels now. And I think if we close this daily candle above that level, that would be quite impressive, and that would be comforting for a lot of people, right? So no, a rally to 30K almost would be a nice short for crypto back down for one more sell off, one more nice sell off. Besides the seats, yeah, it's hot everywhere now, isn't it? Everywhere, it's hot, 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 hot. It's crypto winter, but nope. What are the global warming? What about global warming? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Uh, let's not get into the weather and global warming. Oh, ETH, oh, for ETH Classic, about 30. Okay. Yeah, no, ETH Classic is over here because that's one that I've watched quite a bit today, and it's done amazing, honestly. I didn't know why I didn't FOMO 5 million in buys just now. 5 million in buys. Oh, like on the scanner there. Wow. Yeah, there are a lot of buys coming here. Someone just bought $2 million worth, $3 million. Right, there are a lot of buys in there. And you can see that little thrust candle there. Right? It's not overly massive because there's someone else is selling, right? But yeah, is this an OG party? Let's go, Andrew. Come on. How are you, Andrew? It's good to see you. Wow, 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 wow. Andrew says, "Is this an OG party?" Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Oh yeah, someone else just bought 1.9. This is Jason's accounts. No, actually, that's Andrew's AMC account. Hopefully, future. Right, foreshadowing. Andrew comes in, someone buys $2 million. Someone else buys $1.7 million. There you go. Hopefully, these are the monies to come. The monies to come. It must be. Let's go. Chirping in my swamp. Wow, there's some massive orders here. Damn. $2.2 million buy. Interesting. Interesting. Please don't get my hopes up for AMC. Yeah. Classic. Yeah, Luna, Matic almost looks like it wants to go here as well. If Bitcoin would send it there, Matic would go as well. Come on, Matic, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Yeah, it's going. So Shiba is moving a little bit there, and then Bitcoin is just yeah, still below that moving average there. But it seems like we might be forming a nice little cup and handle here and thrust. Michael Saylor 2.2 million. Stacy, is that true? Is that actually true? Michael Saylor's buying here now. We're gonna crash. Matic, yeah, Matic has been on fire. Is that actually Michael Saylor? You're just guessing, Stacy. Is if that's Michael Saylor, pack your bags. Because we're going right back down. Going, and I'm a believer. Get some of those $5 million holders. 5 million plus. Wasn't it something like I don't know 7.2 million the other day? How's Mana, Andrew? We That's a long story, isn't it? That's a long story. Mana, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you, Andrew. Mana decided that the bridge was where it belonged. Yeah, disappointing, isn't it? Like how all these projects have done, right? So disappointing. Really, really disappointing. When SafeMoon $1, when when uh when the SafeMoon going to $1, guys? When Bitcoin gets to $1 million, then SafeMoon might have a SafeMoon might have that room, the market cap to still holding? No, Bonnie, no. You missed this. Let's go, Andrew. Come on now. When Luna to $1? I don't know. I don't know. When pigs can fly, I was looking for something ridiculous, That's when SafeMoon's the one that's never going to $1 unless never unless they burn all of the supply and leave one coin left. Um, yeah, no, I'm just joking. Anyways, again, so be careful with Bitcoin here at that 200 EMA, right? So we keep struggling at that level, so I would be a little bit cautious here. So no FOMO, please, guys. Tonight seems a little bit weaker than the not looking bad Luna Classic. No, it's not. So let me pull up Luna Classic here on the other screen because I'm just rotating Luna Classic and Shiba here. It's a Luna Classic. Yeah, look at Luna Classic actually. Wow, not bad. I like when these coins like sometimes you will like ignore the rest of the market and just do their own thing. I like that. Not bad actually. Wow, nice little rally there. Luna Classic though, I like the only way like I will play Luna Classic honestly, Hugh, is when there's a catalyst. Um, when there's a catalyst, I know I can play Luna Classic and this thing will rally into the catalyst and buy the hype, sell the news, right? So without that though, it's hard to predict it because sometimes we rally and then crash right away and then it's gone, right? And then it just does nothing at all. So that's always concerning for me. I like to play the catalyst here for these things because again, if they're getting a listing or something, they're announcing a burn, blah blah blah. You know exactly what's happening. We're pumping all the way through, right? So until we get to that, until we approach that event, buy the hype, saw the news, right? That level where you switch the lights on and see what you're really and decent volume, exactly Hugh, exactly, right? Momentum and a decent volume, yeah, exactly. Hugh, like if you watch some of these not that I've played them, right? You watch some of these coins when that volume kicks in, right? And there's a reason for people to buy in there. Like the returns can be very like just lucrative, right? So it's always nice to wait for that sometimes. But some kind of news for XRP tomorrow. Tomorrow XRP. Ooh. Ooh. Also, there's something for Matic. Matic put a thing on Twitter saying in 2 days. Um, let me see if I can pull up Matic's Twitter page here, guys. Uh, see if I can pull up the Twitter page. Polygon. They're all like all. Hmm. Let me see here. They tweeted something earlier, saying in 2 days. So I'm not sure if they're announcing something, and that could be something to watch, right? So I was hoping we would keep rallying so I could do buy the hype and sell the news. Um, would be it would be great if we to the upside. Oh yeah, Robert. Yeah, it's fighting. Like it really is fighting against that 200 EMA there, Robert. Right. So the white line. Yeah, we've been failing against that moving average for a bit now, but here it goes again. Right. We might just send it here. Actually, we might just send it there. Huh. It's getting really tight there. My no, 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 no. Interesting. Yeah, these things are getting really tight here. Almost like we're getting ready for another either up or down. That also the volume point of control. Okay, okay. It's so tough level. Okay, perfect. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm not sure why. Did I turn mine off, Robert? I don't think so. What happened to mine? Oh, most of it just deleted itself. Rubbish, rubbish, absolute rubbish, rubbish. Anyways, so again, that's Matic, right? Just waiting for Bitcoin. ETH Classic though does look like it wants to go here, right? So we're in that little weird thing that we do where we just consolidate for a long, long time and then send it again, right? So that's what ETH Classic here looks like to me. It's waiting for something. Not sure what it's waiting for, but it's waiting for something here, right? So it's wanting to go. It's ready to go. Ready, ready to go. I'm ready for it to go. ETH Classic, come on now, send it. ETH Classic looks better than most, right? Um, oh yeah, it's already starting there. So as long as Bitcoin doesn't sell off here, ETH Classic should do well. Are futures still green? Yeah, they are. Futures green. Hopefully, we can hold till tomorrow. Hold till tomorrow there. Yeah, ETH Classic is almost leading the way here with this rally. So what you're saying is one a nice order could tip it one way or the other. Yeah, Hugh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, wait. I should have got into ETH Classic. Should taking a little scalpy here, right? So I like whenever it does this. I like when it does that actually, because we do this quite often, right? Like the just like consolidation, right? And then slowly creep to the upside, and then boom, 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 right? So I like that for ETH Classic here. Again, if you go back all the way back here, you see this happen quite a bit. So uh, especially again when anything has that momentum, right, and it's not crashing and it's slowly creeping back up, you just kind of hope that it goes. I think it's waiting. I don't think it's gonna go without Bitcoin here though, so that's the only problem. But it wants to go, right? Like Bitcoin is sitting flat here, but it wants to go. So send me a. Oh, la, la. Yeah, BTC is not quite ready here. Bitcoin looks like it wants to sell off. ETH Classic looks like it wants to go. Let me see. Ooh, how many? One second. Mm-mm. Um, so I have a friend that's moved to like they lived in Canada like a while ago, and then they moved to Mexico, and then now they moved to like Costa Rica, right? So now they live in Costa Rica, but they've like fallen in love with plantains, like like Hugh, right, plantains. Anybody? So like ripe plantains, like the ones where you cut it up in like little slices and then you deep fry, you fry it, and like it tastes like the combination of like sweet and salty, all that stuff, very good. They're like in love with plantains now, and like obviously I grew up with, well, not obviously, but like I grew up with plantains, like and and they know this, and so they sent me a message saying because they're eating plantains now like all the time, like like all the time now, because yeah, and now they're like, how many plantains is too many plantains in a day? Asking for a friend. You love it? Easy? Yeah, like red plantains, cut it up, fry it. Oh man, that's a nightly snack. It's a nightly snack, easy. Very good. Some plantains. So they're having plantains like every night now. Nah. Just dropping by to cheer you on, brother. Let's go, hot traces. Let's go. Come on, Dan. Let's go. Thank you very much for the support, Dan. Really appreciate that. Plantains, hey, plantains, plantains. Dan, hopefully you're having a good night. By the way, futures are green for now. For now. So we'll see if this is sustainable tomorrow morning. We'll see. We shall see. Good for anytime snacks or anytime easy. Anytime snack. I that used to be like my Netflix snack. Like cut up a plantain, slice it up, fry it, sprinkle a little bit of salt, and just eat little slices of plantain. Very good. Or like you can make them bigger, whatever you want, right? However you want to cut them up. But yeah, plantains. Huh. If I would I would send this little scalp here for ETH Classic. If Bitcoin didn't look like it wants to go to the abyss here, because again ETH Classic looks like it's about to send it. Like it just looks like it wants to go. It wants to go. Um, it's setting off a nice little rally here, and I know it, and I'm gonna miss it, just because Bitcoin is looking like a T Rex all night and morning. Yesterday too, I'm feeling a little bearish. Yeah, I know. With that close there, yeah, that's true. That's true, Dan. I know. Nachos, get with the program. If you are nice to plantain, it does it does get bigger. Gary, yeah, plantains, nachos. I like nachos. I haven't had them much, but the few times I've had them, I like them. Pump it, eat classic, yeah. Oh, it looks like it wants to go, right? I mean, this is the one of the only bullish things here, right? I mean, look at Matic. Matic is turning on the way down as well. Everything is turning down here. ETH Classic is the only thing that's setting off here for potential rally. And look at it go down. Oh, I'm gonna miss that, aren't I? I'm gonna miss it because thanks to Bitcoin, right? Yeah. It's trying, but again, I would be careful though. Bitcoin sells off, that thing's gonna sell off. Let's go, super chat. Let me know. I'll send you some Louisiana spice. Let's go, Blair. Let's go, Blair. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah, no, Blair talks about the what is it called again? The slap your mama something something. You can see how like ETH Classic itself is dropping a bit now. Why? Because Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin looks like it wants to go down, like it's curling down. If Bitcoin was curling up, I would totally send it easily, right? But the fact that Bitcoin is curling down here and ETH Classic is following Bitcoin, even though it's looking like it wants to go up, that's concerning, right? So again, ETH Classic looks like it wants to go up, but you can't ignore Bitcoin, right? Because Bitcoin again just looks like it's going the opposite way. Look at this thing go down here, right? not exactly what I want to do there with that. Blair, thank you very much. Really appreciate that. Closer. I remember you talking about it yesterday. Oh yeah, that thing left the building from $13 to $28. 13 to 28. Squeeze. Eat to see bags are packed. Headed to Costa Rica to eat some. You're about to eat all the plantains, Stacy. Sounds good. Just come pick me up on your way, please, and thank you. Yeah, 14, 15, 16 was nice, Gary. I mean, like even the break above $20, there's been a lot of FOMO there for ETH Classic. A lot of FOMO. So again, Bitcoin just looks like it wants to go down. So you can't ignore that. Even though this looks nice, and it's still holding up better than everything else, right? You take a look at look at Matic. Matic is at 91 now, right? Look at Luna Classic, right? So everything curling down. So be careful, please, and thank you, because Bitcoin is not being nice. It's just following ETH, yeah, and then ETH follows BTC. Well, yeah, ETH. Let me take a look at ETH actually, Gary, because I don't think I've actually compared the two. You blew your candles 3 minutes ago. You blew your candles out. Why do you think this is happening, Blair? Why? It's funny. Like all of that redness and ETH plastic is back to where it started, like back up there. It's like, nope, I don't want to go down. Anyways, let me see what some of these whales are doing here. Yeah, there's a lot of selling. Lots of selling, right? Look at that. That's Gary's account. That's Blair's account. That's Andrew's account. Uh, that's Crystal. That's Hugh. I mean, like, the selling is endless here. As soon as we said we're going down, Jason is like, come on, short it. Short, 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 Jason. Little bit of a bounce. I mean, I'm happy we're holding $22,000 there. Happy we're holding that, but nah. Cook for you all for the Vegas trip, right, Andrew? Yes, please. Yes, please, Blair. Yes, please. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Oh yeah. Show us the ETH. Usually rallies first. Okay. Let me take a look at the ETH. The ETH, Gary. Show us ETH. Yeah, ETH looks very similar to like Bitcoin though, Gary. Right, like so that's ETH, right? So if you really like take a look at that chart, right? It looks very similar to Bitcoin here. So this is Bitcoin here now. They're very similar. Whereas like ETH Classic is just doing its own thing, right? It's holding up really nicely, just consolidating, right? And it's ready for a breakout here potentially, right? So that's ETH Classic. Well, you can't even see ETH Classic. So again, that's Bitcoin, right? This is ETH Classic here, right? Not even close to the other two. Just waiting to break out, and here it goes, right? This thing is higher than oh yeah, right? So it's trying, right? But then you take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is like, excuse me, and then you take a look at ETH as well. ETH is like, excuse me, I'm waiting for Bitcoin to send it, right? So that's ETH there, right? Dump, sell off, trying. ETH Classic no care, guys. ETH Classic no care. It's trying to break out there. We'll see if it does. Of being a hopeless. Yeah, if we break below 22 again there, Jason, that might be a problem. Might be a problem if we break below 22K here again. So, and it's the momentum is not really there, is it? Super, super, super weak. Super weak. Is a nice swing play? Yeah, it is, Gary. It is. Look at that. Almost back to $26 here for ETH Classic. Wow. Nah. Yeah, we'll see. Hopefully the rally continues. Again, don't forget to smash a like, guys. When it dumps, Gary. Yeah, that's true. Don't forget to smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, you should become a member. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. And yeah. And join us in Discord. Let's go. So again, here's membership link. Yeah, there you go, from virus. Virus criminal. Yeah, so just click the link at the bottom of that message, Jane. Come join us. At 14.50 the other day. Let's go. You did. Wow. Congratulations. Wow. Wow. You bought at $14. 14.50. Wow. That's amazing. Yeah, I didn't see this thing till it was like $16, and then it rallied to 17, and very quickly broke above $20 and to 28. So it's done really well. Yeah, very nice. Wow, very very nice. 14.50. That's monies, monies and monies and monies. That's the exciting thing about like a crypto bull market though, because you have coins like this just rally one after the other, right? Shiba will run, Doge will run, Luna will, right? So one after the other, you're gonna have these random names. Metaverse plays will run, right? So Gala, Mana, all these things will eventually. Andrew's gonna roast me now. Will eventually run if we can regain some confidence back in the crypto space. What's Bitcoin doing here? Bitcoin is really weak. Without Bitcoin, ETH Classic would be thrusting right now. Absolutely thrusting. Absolutely thrusting them. What time is it? Okay. When enters eventually rise and shine. Yeah. At 30, I don't get congrats, please. You bought Shiba at 30. Did you get a nope, Andrew? You get may the odds be in your favor. That's what you get. You get prayers. Dear Lords, please. Let us get back to 30. Let's get back up there. Anyways, yeah, ETH Classic looks really good there, right? So ETH is hitting highs on these candles here, right? Bitcoin is still just chilling here. Bitcoin is going the other way actually. So as long as we don't get a massive drop here for Bitcoin, ETH is gonna send it, right? Again, I wish Bitcoin was looking better because I would definitely take that scalp long. But it's not, and that's my concern. If Bitcoin gets a fat red candle now, ETH is gonna go to the abyss with it. Well, at least sell off. That's my only concern there. Otherwise, that would have been a really nice scalp, right? Consolidation, slowly rising to the upside. You know what's coming? Some boom booms. Uh, yeah, under the bridge with me and Ada, Gary. Ada's what's Ada at anyways? I tried playing with Ada earlier, Gary, just because it's one of the ones that really hasn't had that explosive move yet, and we know that thing has the star power, Ada. But I look at that. We're hitting highs on there, and Bitcoin is still going down here. Something's gonna have to give. Either Bitcoin is gonna reverse, or Matic ETH Classic is gonna reverse here. But no, again, look at that right candle on Bitcoin. ETH is like, yeah. Classic is like, nope, 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 nope. Where's Nas? Nas was in Iran. Let me see here. She was in Iran with her dad. With her dad. Let me see. Let's see. That was last. Yeah, that was your last contact. Okay, yeah, last contact. We need a moons for the emergency lever. Sell lever. Sell all right away. We're dumping, Stacy. Uh That's a very good point, actually, Stacy. I keep forgetting to think about stuff like that. There are a few coins that when these coins rally, the top is in, right? So it's okay if it runs without BTC. They all get their turns to break away. Yeah, Hugh. That's a very keep. That's a really good point there, Stacy. We need a moons. Pull the emergency lever. Sell all right away. We're dumping. Yep, that's what usually happens. So there's a there's a list of names that when these coins rally, pack your bags. Because we're going the opposite way soon. Very soon, we're about to start crashing, right? So ADA is one of them. Dots is one of them. Link is one of them. I think there's one more. There's one more, Stacy. I don't know if you know what it is, right? So when these things rally, uh, you want to be very careful because we're potentially looking for the bridge soon, soon, soon. Uh, I can learn from my mistakes. Yeah. How bad is it to talk stocks on your crypto stream? No, 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 no. That's okay, Dan. This is yeah. No, that's okay. Oh yeah, look at it go. It's trying to. As soon as Bitcoin turns around here, it's trying to. Is it just is it's just EMC is getting a bit more buzz? As you notice, nah, or will it dump? AMC, like AMC's done really well. Like AMC honestly, dumping is officially over. But told me it's over. No, like AMC's done well, right? I mean, if you compare AMC to what the stock market's done lately, right? So I mean, like just look at what the S&P did today, right? SPY sold off for most of the day. AMC said, yeah, no, bro, we're not going back to the lows of the day, right? So that's a really good sign, right? It's able to hold those gains when the market sells off. That's a really good sign for EMC there. I hope we don't just like go to the abyss tomorrow because EMC might not be able to hold that. But if the market doesn't crash, EMC is fine. So hopefully a rally soon here. I think we talked about EMC quite a bit today, and most of you guys are still feeling confident, right? Confident that that eventually, right? So, yeah. So we'll see. Also, it's a bit more independent of the S&P, yeah, right. So I mean, hopefully stays that way. Look, we might actually finally break above that 200 EMA here, right? So we've been struggling with this moving average here, right? So see if we can clear that level here this time. Interesting. Yeah, like Matic really isn't performing there with that though, which is interesting. ETH, of course. Hmm. No, Matic looks a little bit weaker to me. All day today, Matic has looked a little bit weaker. We should have looked at that for that short at $1, which is what we wanted initially, anyways. $1. That would have been nice. A gamble call in order. Yeah, I mean, if the market's performing tomorrow, right, it might be an AMC. If AMC is performing tomorrow and looking for 17, which is what we feel that today, right? 17 something. That might be yeah, might be nice to look at. Yeah, Bitcoin wants to send it there. Send it. Send it. Maybe this is when we turn around here and actually start thrusting. Come on. Let's see here. Oh yeah, pigeons. Pigeons. Yeah, I think she's like in France now, if I'm not mistaken. Nas. I think she's in like yeah, she was in Iran, and then I think she's like, I don't know. She travels a lot. Because she was in Germany, and then she went to Iran, and then to France, and then yeah, I think she's still there. 22, yeah, $22,000 in holding. So hopefully this is good for the market tomorrow. Ooh. 2550. Interesting. Huh. Maybe it's time. Lots of buys on the scanner now. Okay. Maybe it's time that, oh yeah, there are a lot of buys. Look at these buys. A lot of transactions coming in here for Bitcoin, right? So that's yeah, a lot more buys than sells coming in here, at least for now. At least for now, right? So big monies, big monies. Time to rally. Not Australia, not Australia. I thought she was from Australia the whole time. When I first, yeah, thought she was from Australia. It's like, hi, Nas from Austria. It's like, but then like, yeah, Nas from Austria. 150. Yeah, no, Bitcoin is finally moving there to the upside. So is ETH Classic. So something had to give. Bitcoin said, okay, fine, follow. I will follow. See if we can get back above 22,200, and then push for $23,000. Right tonight, maybe, and could be a nice levels. Yeah, yeah. We need some boom boom candles here, Robert. We've been waiting all night for some boom boom candles. Yeah, what's going on? Been waiting, and this is why like I'm not comfortable shorting yet, honestly, because I don't think like um, especially with how we recovered earlier today from like 23 to 21, whatever, and then right back up. Just not confident yet. Until we start getting multiple fails, right? And then maybe until we start running into next week, maybe, or we'll see. Honestly, we'll see when chip bill pass. Chip bill, not sure. Not sure, Gary. Moon time, John. It's moon time. Hopefully, it's moon time. Huh. Almost like ETH Classic is leading the way here because I see it selling off first, and then Bitcoin sells off. Bitcoin is sitting at resistance here, anyways. Uh, the Southwest at do you think Spy holds at 380? If the wind is blowing, Gary, how did you come up with this rubbish? How did you come up with this rubbish? Um, if the wind is blowing out of the southwest at 8 miles per hour, do you think the Spy holds 380 tomorrow? The answer is no, Gary. The answer is absolutely not. No. Any little wind that blows that way, Gary, Spy is going to the abyss. My plan with ETH is to sell around half the coins like a day before the merge in case it crashes like Doge with SNL. Oh yeah, no, you have to get rid of it. Buy the hype, sell the news. When's the date again? When's the date? La for sure. 23. LA for sure. LA for sure. 23. When's the date? When is the date? Let me know. Ooh. 95. September-ish? Okay, that's a long ways away then. I bet you we're gonna get some sell-offs before that though. Hopefully not below 20 again. Hopefully not below any of these, so you can be, you can be comfortable. But we're gonna have a lot more. We're gonna have sell-offs before that, and then a rally September into the elections in November, right? So you might even have to get rid of it, sell half of it before a while before that, and then rebuy, right? Because we're not gonna hold these gains all the way till well, we might be back at this level, but after retracing, right? So we'll see. Australia, if the wind is blowing. Gary, is that the right answer? Is that the right answer, Gary, or no? Right answer? I didn't get it right, did I, Gary? La, la, la. September-ish. Come on, let's get some boom booms. Some boom booms. Boom boom boom. Somebody say way, or you think yes? You think way yes? Okay, sounds good, Gary. Sounds good. Huh, interesting. ETH looks nice there. Matic looks a little bit better now, and of course Bitcoin is thrusting, right? So yeah, Bitcoin looks good there. BTC, come on now, more. Out of the Southwest, I believe the rises before the Fed meeting. You think so? Like, do you have a timeline, Gary? Like, do you have a timeline in terms of like? So what I was thinking is, right? We rally into the Fed meeting. Um, we rally into the Fed meeting. And then we almost sell off as you know as we get information from these guys, or after that, or the day after that, right? So that's what I was thinking, Gary. So I'm not sure if you have a different timeline for both for stocks and crypto. You might, you probably do, but yeah. Same thing we talked about, right? So sell off before CPI, rally after CPI, sell off after the Fed. Um, na, 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 na. Sell off after the Fed. We'll see. Na, na, na. Yeah, ETH again. ETH is moving like ETH Classic is moving like inverse to everything, right? So on the left hand side here, right there, that's ETH. That's ETH, right? So on the far right, that's ETH Classic, right? ETH is going up, Bitcoin is going up. ETH Classic is now going the opposite way. It's doing its own thing here. Yeah, yeah. It's baked in, yeah, yeah. No, I think that's baked in. I just don't. It's the 100. It's the 100 that's the question, Gary. It's the 100. I would not be surprised if they did that. All will be our guidance, exactly, exactly. So we could safer. Wait for the reaction and then play with that, right? So kind of get a decision and then go from there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Guidance. Well, this is that's guidance. What are you doing here for Bitcoin? Actually, interesting. Anyways, guys, yeah, let me know if you have any questions, guys. Any last questions already? Yeah, let me know, and then we can hop off in like 7 minutes or so. You know, in like 7 minutes or so, and then hang out in Discord voice or something. You know, with the rest of the crypto criminals. Oh yeah, Bitcoin is absolutely thrusting in there now. He's going to make the droid tomorrow. Droids, Dylan. Dylan. Interesting. Yeah, Bitcoin is looking nice then. What are you wearing? And have you changed your hair? My hair, Gary? I'm wearing a round tee. Oh wow, look at that. Look at Bitcoin. Wow, 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 right? This is the boom boom kettle we've been waiting for all night. We just had to get it at the very end, right? Like, oh, we're gonna hop off soon. Bitcoin says, ooh, cool. Boom booms. We've been waiting for this all night. Have I changed my hair? No, I have not. Nope, Gary. No hair change. Same, same here. Last question is BBIG dead? BBIG is dead. Andrew. That's the most straightforward answer you'll get. BBIG is dead. BBIG died as soon as those guys came out a month ago and said dividend delay. BBIG was dead right there and then a month ago. Dead. La, la, la. Yeah, no, Bitcoin looks nice here. I think Bitcoin still has room in it, right? Especially above $22,000 here. Yeah, be back. That's what it is. Story of your life. You, story of your life. Yep. What time did you wake up? What time did I wake up this morning? I don't know. 6 a.m. 6 a.m. Did I wake up at 6 a.m.? Yeah, 6 a.m. Sit down. Sit down, strap in, we're going. Yeah, Bitcoin says, yeah, we're going, guys. We're going. If Bitcoin is rallying like this, I mean, we can't leave, right? How's it torch divvy? That's a very good question, Andrew. Gary, how's it torch divvy? Did you ever get it? Did you ever get that divvy? Ever, ever? I donated it to the build back. I donated it to the build back better. Yeah, and then they threw it in the trash, Gary, right away. Like, what's this torch dividend? Garbage. Oi. Come on, BTC, keep going then. Keep going. We'll stay. Build back better. Uh, no cut. Let's go, Stacy. Come on. Come on. Let's go. You donated your stake Luna, Stacy, to who? Who did you donate it to? Who did you give it to? To the same foundation, Build Back Better? Is everyone donating to Build Back Better? What's going on? Who did you donate to? The what fund? The bridge fund. Pay for the training wheels for the bike. Good month for burgers. Let's go, Pete's. Always Pete's. forget the forget better business. Yes, okay, Build Back Better worth at least $7 now, Stacy. Wow, that's monies, That's lunch monies. What can you buy for $7 these days? What could you buy for $7, guys? You could buy a Happy Meal. Is a Happy Meal even worth $7 anymore? Yeah, probably should be. Right? You could buy a Happy Meal for $7. You could buy some toast for $7. You could buy not an avocado because plus taxes. You could buy some burgers. Yeah, Happy Meal. $5 Happy Meals. 1 gallon of fuel. 1 gallon of fuel for $7. Yep, that's funny. Uh, hmm. Interesting. Bitcoin looks really interesting here. Half a gallon of ice cream, Crystal. In and out burger. Okay. All the money paid for AMC debts instead, Andrew. Yep. It made the people rich and said screw the hedge funds, but nope. Nope. Yeah. Not even a gallon, right? In California? Not even a gallon. Oh, la, la. Oh yeah, Gary, you want some In and Out burger? In and Out burger. In and Out burger. I have no idea what In and Out burger is because I've never had it, but I've had some Five Guys once a long time ago and it was very good, very very good. Five Guys. Oh yeah, Bitcoin looks good. Yeah, Bitcoin is like, yeah, you wanted to hop off? How about the sockets? No thanks. Okay, BTC, let's go. Let's go. Hmm, interesting. Yeah, that Matic, that Five Guys. Yeah, Five Guys is good. Yeah, Chris. Yeah, all the fries are killer. Yeah, I like Five Guys. Five Guys. And then what other fast food? We got that 1348 cross too. We're moving. Oh yeah, no, we look good here. Finally moving to the upside here, Robert. Finally. Finally, right? So hopefully the rally continues, right? So again, the fact that we're sitting above $22,000 for me at any point, even if we sell off, is a really good sign, right? $22,000 is the level that I keep watching. We closed above $22,000 on the last daily candle, which is impressive, right? And now we're sitting above here, so yeah, yeah. Again, back to some of these transactions here. That red candle came with a few sells. Discord, okay, sounds good, Robert. Let's go. We, let's see. Uh, volume session profile. Huh, interesting. Let's see, Robert. Volume. Na 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 na. Like it's part of the Sana Bella by Sana na 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 na. Robert, you lost me. Na, na, na. Session oh, the indicator, okay, session profile HT, okay. um okay, there we go, perfect. And then settings, fixing that indicator, and in the settings put 60. Okay. Inputs, extend it to the right. Okay. Interesting. Oh. Huh. Interesting, Robert. Extend POC to the right. Okay, okay. Let me see if I can pull up that screen here. Can you see that? No, you can't. Um, hey Gary, hey Noir, hey yo. Let's go, let's go. Hey yo. No, I was just looking. Andrew, I think not Andrew. Robert, I think I did it. So let's see. It's in there. Interesting. I wish I could get this. Ah, interesting. Think of my yeah. I see what you're looking at there, Robert. Yeah, that red line is the that's what he said. It's been a minute. um, blue is beautiful. Blue is beautiful. Yeah, blue's good. Yellow's not good. Right. So the red line. Okay, I see what you're looking at here. For some reason, I was completely ignoring that line. Okay. Yeah, I see what you're looking at there. Okay. That's kind of like your what would you call that, Robert? Like your kind of like your breakout zone to the upside, isn't it? That's like that. So that would be uh where the most where most of the volume is. Okay. Okay, sounds good. So that's like your breakout zone there. That's what you're looking for, Robert. Distribution. Okay, cool. Yeah, I like that actually. I like that. That level really aligned with that 200 EMA, so that's not a bad thing at all. I like that. Hey, yo, Noir, how's your night? How's your night? What are you up to? What are you up to? Mm, mm. Distribution and where the price will tend to go. Okay. It's almost like the view app too. Does that line move like Robert? Does that move like does that line move up and down or it just stays there? Does it adjust? Look at this. Noah shows up and look at this rubbish, guys. All of these selling. Look at these. It's similar. Okay. Yes, it moves. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Very very cool. I like that. I like that. Look at that. Noir shows up and look at all these selling. Depending on the volume. Okay. Cool. We could catch some potential breakouts and breakdowns. So I like that. Hopefully that indicator doesn't disappear. Doesn't disappear. What's that? Nah, nah, nah. The other night. Hmm. Nah, 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 nah. Ooh, we're getting some buy blocks here now. What do we add? Hmm. Why this ETH class still looks like it wants to go again? Nah, 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 nah. I'm just looking at Andrews and Gary's conversation. We might have to we might have to go chats in the Hangout general. Already, guys. Already. Yeah, I like that, Robert. Actually, Yeah. I like that. I mean, sometimes you can kind of see these things like visually. You can kind of tell that that area is an issue, right? There's a lot of selling. You need to it requires a lot of buying there to break above that level, which is nice for confirmation. But yeah, don't mind that actually. I like that. If you all want, let's go. Alrighty, sounds good, Gary. You're gonna chat in the Hangout general. So you're gonna do? Or what are you saying, Gary? Discord. Okay, sounds good. Alrighty, thank you all for fun hangout, guys. It's always fun, especially when you guys are here. Right? It's always fun. So again, don't forget to smash a like, hit that subscribe, blah blah blah. If you haven't already, we will see you guys in Discord. Have a wonderful evening, all. And it's good to see you guys. Um, thank you all very much for the support. Amazing. See you there. Last one is a useless code. I'll be the last one. You know that. I have to shut all this stuff down. Seeing you all. Yeah. Andrew, Hugh, Virus, Stacy. It's good to see you always. Crystal, my Monday is commodities futures are looking good for now. Yeah, they are. They are. Later, Ghost. Later. Have a wonderful evening. Ciao, Robert. Have a wonderful evening. See you in Discord. And yeah, again, thank you guys very much. Bye all. Bye guys. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Ciao, ciao, Gary. Good night, Gary. See you in Discord. Good night. Alrighty. Bye.